Have you ever wondered about a snowflake? How it starts its life before it gets to us? The life of a snowflake follows several distinct stages. Nucleation. High in a cloud, a supercooled water droplet encounters a microscopic particle-like dust or pollen, known as a seed or nucleus. The water freezes onto the seed, naturally arranging itself into hexagonal six-sided prisms. Its shape is dictated by the molecular structure of water H2O, which bonds most effectively in a six-fold symmetry, branching as the crystal moves through the cloud. Water vapour in the air deposits onto it because corners stick out further into the moist air. They attract more vapour and grow faster than the flat sides, causing branches to sprout from the six corners. The journey and uniqueness as the flake tumbles through the different layers of air, it experiences varying temperatures and humidity levels. Each change alters its growth pattern. Since no two flakes follow the exact same pattern through these chaotic atmospheric conditions, it is nearly impossible for two to ever be identical. Time to fall to the ground. A snowflake's descent is a slow, fragile process. It typically takes 45 minutes to 1 hour for a snowflake to travel from its cloud to the ground. Some estimates suggest it can take up to 2 hours if the air is particularly turbulent. Most snowflakes drift at a speed of 1 to 4 miles per hour, roughly 1.5 to 6 feet per second. Cold air is denser and can slow the fall of the snowflake, making flakes act like tiny parachutes. Snowflakes that collect liquid water droplets as they fall become heavier and can fall faster at up to 9 miles per hour. Simple plates or needles fall differently than complex, bushy stars. Key influences on shape. The specific look of a snowflake is determined primarily by temperature. -2 degrees C, thin, flat hexagonal plates form. -5, long, slender needles or columns develop. And at -15, the classic ornate star forms. This temperature, combined with high humidity, produces the most intricate and photogenic shapes. So, now you know a bit more about a snowflake. So next time you see a snowflake, just think it's been through an awful lot to get to us. Leave a comment below. Did you get any snow? Where I live, we had a bit of snow last night, but it was that horrible damp slushy snow, not the nice crisp white snow that is absolutely awesome. We didn't get any of that, and this morning it had all gone. So if you had any snow, if you made a snowman, that's great. Sadly, I didn't even have enough snow to make a snowball. Never mind, there's another video out on Monday. Thanks for watching. Cheers, bye bye.